Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by enabling WSL and installing a Linux distro. This gives you a real Linux environment to work in. Once done, install Vscode and the remote WSL extension so Vscode can talk to that distro. Make sure to reboot or restart your session and confirm WSL LV shows your distro on version 2. This ensures proper file system and performance. Now open Vscode so you can connect directly into that Linux instance for the next steps. You now open a WSL window in Vscode using the command palette. Remote WSL, new window. This actually runs Vscode inside Linux, not on Windows. Then install recommended extensions inside that window so extensions operate in the Linux environment. This avoids path and permission problems. Next, configure your shell and dot files and install language tooling like Node or Python inside WSL to match your project needs. Once these are installed, you can run terminals and debug as if. To finish, open your project folder through Remote WSL so file permissions, paths, and tooling behave predictably. Use the integrated terminal, which runs in your distro by default for builds and scripts. Make sure debug configurations point to WSL paths when needed. If something breaks, slow file access, missing tools, restart WSL with WSL shutdown, then reopen Vscode Remote WSL. This clears the subsystem state. If extensions still misbehave, reinstall them inside the WSL window to restore correct execution context.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.